Welcome everyone. In today's video, we're diving deep into how to start and grow your own virtual assistant agency. If you've ever wanted to create a business where others do the work while you manage operations and earn from the profit margins, this guide is for you. Many people teach you how to become a virtual assistant, but few explain how to scale it into a full-fledged agency. That's exactly what I'll cover. Everything from selecting your niche, hiring and managing virtual assistants, to the essential tools and strategies to operate your agency efficiently. Ready to learn how to go from solo VA to agency owner? Let's get started. My name is Hoan. I have a strong interest in technology and business management. I operate a business that offers outsourcing services to clients in the fields of fintech, e-commerce, and AI. What does a virtual assistant do? Virtual assistants, VAs, handle various online tasks such as calendar and email management, customer service and social media, research and travel arrangements, organizing files, and more. Small businesses, especially those without the budget for full-time employees, often hire VAs for flexibility and cost effectiveness. Some VAs work with multiple clients, specializing in areas like real estate, healthcare, or therapy practices, while others offer broader support. Why transition to an agency? As a solo VA, you'll eventually hit a revenue ceiling. You can only take on so many clients. Transitioning to an agency allows you to scale by hiring other VAs to handle client work, leaving you to focus on sales, strategy, and management. This model lets you take on more clients, charge higher rates, and build a six-figure business. Steps to start your virtual assistant agency. 1. Define your niche. Start by choosing a few industries to focus on, such as real estate, healthcare, or e-commerce. Specializing can help you stand out while giving you room to expand later. 2. Decide on services offer specific services your niche needs. For instance, administrative tasks, data entry, email responses, and calendar management. Social media management, content posting, responding to DMs, and monitoring engagement. Specialized services, podcast management, graphic design, or blog writing. Be clear on what services your agency offers and what it doesn't to maintain quality. 3. Set pricing rates depend on your VA's location and expertise. General admin tasks might cost $10 to $25 per hour, while specialized skills like project management could reach $50 to $65 per hour. Adjust pricing based on the market and your agency's value proposition. 4. Find and hire VAs. Here's where to recruit talented VAs. Facebook groups, search for VA communities and post job listings. Freelance websites, platforms like Upwork or Fiverr provide access to global talent. Job boards. Look for region-specific boards, like those for Filipino VAs or other specialized markets. When hiring, create a clear job description, screen candidates thoroughly, and establish a training process. 5. Equip yourself with tools. Running an agency requires the right tech stack. Start with a simple website, highlight your services, team, and a way to book a consultation. Contract management tools, platforms like Dubsado streamline invoicing, contracts, and client onboarding. Project management tools, Asana or Trello help organize tasks and deadlines. Finding clients. Clients are the backbone of your agency, so focus on these strategies. Local networking. Join business groups or chambers of commerce in your area. LinkedIn. Connect with executives and post content showcasing your services. Cold outreach. Research businesses in your niche, then email them directly to pitch your services. Social media. Leverage Instagram and Facebook to share client success stories and valuable tips. Managing your agency. Effective management ensures long-term success. Build a strong onboarding process for new clients. Create clear communication guidelines for your team and clients. Be strategic about time zones when hiring globally to ensure seamless collaboration. Conclusion: starting a virtual assistant agency can be your ticket to building a scalable, profitable business. From defining your niche and hiring a strong team to leveraging the right tools and finding clients, the process may seem challenging, but the rewards are worth it. If you're ready to dive deeper into setting up client onboarding or learning from successful agency owners, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights on growing a service-based business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.